Hi everyone, my name is Aviad. I'm a senior developer at Player, and in this video I would like to demo you how we created an automation, an RPA flow that gets WIP counts from an Excel, executes a macro inside the Excel, and then it uses Service Manager to update this information on our Oracle EBS test system in a quality module, a specific collection that we have created for it. So the way it works, the Excel is executing a macro by pushing a button, and then it invokes Oracle REST APIs that interact with our Service Manager. The Service Manager is activating a user flow automation on top of the EBS test system. Let's see how it goes. So this is my Excel file, and this is my Oracle EBS test collection that we're using. Right now it is empty. On the Excel we have 3 lines that we want to process and enter into this collection. So all we need to do is of course to put here the information and then press the button here. Let me press the button. This will invoke the Excel macro that interacts with our Service Manager and updates the EBS. As you can see, we have here a status column that is being updated for each call. Once a call is invoked successfully, it will update this column with the value processed successfully. Of course, if it failed, it will write here process failed. So all lines were processed. Let's press the OK button here, and let's check on our EBS test system to see that all the information actually got there. So here it is. Here are the 3 lines. Let me just make it a little bit wide. You can see here that all the data that was in the Excel, all the records were inserted correctly with all the corresponding values. Thank you very much.